Share visit the Holy Family.
Yeah.
The Virgin.
Mary and Jesus.
Yes, and Jesus. And
Joseph.
Yes.
Joseph,
Yes.
Mary, and Jesus.
Oh, see there. Thank you. Disinfect your hands.
Here.
Cavern
Abu
Church.
Serge Church or Saint Sergius Church. Here inside, where you can see the crypt or the cave, which is there inside.
Wow. It's very good to see Christianity and Islamism mixed together. Like this whole section, like Christians.
You can find a place where it's a whole different home for you.
The well, which they get the water from this one to drink.
The well, what?
Which they get the water from here because the family stay inside this crypt for 3 months without any drink or water, without any drink or food, but they get their water from this well.
So Jesus, Mary, and
Yes,
Joseph
yes.
drank water from here.
Yes.
Oh man. The well which the Holy Family drank from. Okay. That's something interesting. God.
Side, I'm meeting you from the other side.
These were books
This is the
written
box,
by
yes. Very old.
authors.
Yes, must be very old box.
So you will then later on translated
Yes.
to English.
Yes.
Uh,
Because
Like how long? What's the estimate of the age? How long?
how long have captivity
This
been
dates
here?
back to the beginning, the first centuries.
Okay, the beginning.
Okay, sorry. Oops. Take care. Your head. Hello. Thank you. Cameroon. Eto. Big player.
Mila.
Mila. Eto.
1998. 1990, yeah. Mila, you wonderful with Argentine, with Colombia, yeah.
So guys, right now where we just passed, it seems like, as it says, this is where the cavern where Mary, Jesus, and the baby Jesus and Joseph stayed for 3 months when they came to Egypt. And I just showed you actually the restrooms, and it has been totally preserved, like from the chambers of Joseph and Jesus and Mary. So guys, I don't know, it's actually history which is being preserved over the years. Guys, I'll keep showing you the videos that I see here. So take care, stay put, don't move.